Pat, it is fun. It's fun to the water. Come in the water. Come. Okay, that's time. Pat comes into likes the water. Pat likes the water. It is fun to. It is fun to in the water, says Peter. I have done this. Look, says Jane. Look, Peter, look, have a look. Come and look. Peter has a look. Look, says Peter. And the dog wants the fish. Asta, he wants the fish, Jane. Pat wants the fish. No, says Jane. You come, you here. Come here, Pat, come here. Here. No. Here are Peter and Jane. Peter has some water. Here is for you are James, he says. Here you are, says Jane. Jane says Peter. This is for you. Here is some water for you. This is for you, says Jane. Jane says, here is some water for you. Here they are, Peter. It is for you. Look, Jane, I can jump, says Peter. I can jump in the water. Can you jump like this, Jane? Okay, Jane can jump and Peter can jump, and for fun, live like this, she stay like this. Jump this, Pat, says Peter. Jump in the water. Jump in the water. You can jump in the water. But jumps. I want to go home. You want, says Jane. Yes, I want to go home, says Peter. Come here, come, Pat, come. We have to go home. Here we are, says Jane. We are home. It is fun to in the water. Yes, says Peter. We have fun in the water. No, this is Pat. This is JR. This is fun. There's water fun. Come, says, have to look, fish, once, know you. Some for this. Chill, go, jump, can jump in we sweets home. Okay, no more. You want to take a picture?
Thank you very
Clap,
much.
Asta, can you clap?
Thank you very much.
Is it clap, clap?